All of us greatly love our mother, and we seek an opportunity to express our gratitude for the blessings which we received from her. Mother's Day is looked upon an occasion to present her with valuable gifts. Our expression of gratitude is limited to the birth-giving mother, but the Vedas explain that there are 6 other mothers: Atma Mata, Guru Patni, Brahmani Raja Patniga, Venur Dhatri Tatha Prithvim, Sattita Matra Smartaha. Atma Mata, one's own mother. Birth-giving mother is a personification of compassion, love and affection. She is the epitome of care and selflessness. She is a first teacher. She is most forgiving. To such a personality, how can anyone pay back or even express gratitude? We may express gratitude various means, but still remain inadequate. Srila Prabhupada, founder Acharya of ISKCON, explains that an excellent way to pay back one's mother and express gratitude is by presenting the most valuable gift, the gift of immortality. Immortality means free from birth, old age, diseases, death, and all turbulence of this material world. This is possible only by practice of Krishna consciousness. By serious practicing Krishna consciousness, not only can we reach the kingdom of God, but we can also liberate our parents irrespective of their position in spiritual realization. What else can be a better way to express gratitude? Guru Patni, Brahmani Raja Patnika. The spiritual master guides everyone on the spiritual path. A bona fide Brahman guides the society as per the Vedas. A real king ensures that all citizens are well protected and have the facility to follow dharma. As per the Vedas, the above mentioned 3 personalities are respected like fathers, and their wives are considered as mothers for everyone. Dhenur. The cow gives its most valuable milk to the entire human society, and thus she is also accepted as a mother. By drinking cow's milk, one can develop finer brain tissues to understand the science of God. Instead of giving protection, love, and care to our mother cow, modern civilization is killing her. Killing one's own mother shows a degraded status of civilization. How can a degraded civilization be happy and satisfied? The cow must be protected and provided with a healthier and happier environment. This Mother's Day, let's take a vow to contribute for the cow care and protection. Dhatri. The nurse is accepted as a mother because she nourishes the child just as the mother does and plays an important role in child's upbringing. One must respect and treat her in the same manner as one does his own mother. Prithvi. Mother Earth is called Sarv Kama Duga Mahi. She produces food, jewels, minerals, medicines, and every necessities of all living creatures, including humans. Therefore, she is always addressed as mother. Tragically, modern civilization is exploiting her beyond limit for its own sense gratification. Mother Earth is a source of our sustenance, and we are duty bound to protect her. But our irresponsible behavior is causing all kinds of pollution, global warming, calamities, etc., and hurting Mother Earth. Out of gratitude, we can please utilize her resource only for the need without any greed and avoid polluting her resource. Vedas says the best way to express gratitude to Mother Earth is to utilize everything produced by her in the service of Lord Shri Krishna, Supreme Personality of Godhead, and sustain ourselves with those offerings. Vedic culture does not limit itself to recognizing the above 7 mothers. It is such a rich culture wherein apart from one's own wife, every other woman is considered as mother. Matra Paradarshu. Unlike modern civilization, which portrays woman as the highest object of sense enjoyment, Vedic culture gives a higher respect to every woman by treating her as good as one's own mother. This makes the society safe and secure for women to live in. Modern civilization has to learn how to treat all mothers appropriately. This will make Mother's Day celebration more meaningful. This is easily possible by adopting the process of Krishna consciousness. Happy Mother's Day again. Thank you.